gynecologist from Visakhapatnam. Today we are going to discuss about prematurity as a part of World Premature Awareness Month, that is November. Actually, any pregnancy normally lasts about 40 weeks. That is, delivery occurs 1 week in and around those period of 40 weeks. But in case of prematurity, the delivery occurs or the pregnancy ends way before it. That is, if it occurs less than 37 weeks, we call it as prematurity. If it occurs less than 28 weeks, we call it as extreme prematurity, whereas in between 28 to 34 weeks, we call it as early prematurity, and between 34 to 37 weeks, we call it as late prematurity. There are many causes for this premature delivery. Most importantly, it is due to past history of any preterm delivery, or mother has any infections, or it is a teenage pregnancy or a very elderly pregnancy, or maybe twin or triplets, that is any multiple pregnancy, and patient has a short cervix either due to congenital or due to previous surgeries or previous normal delivery, any injury occurs. So these are the risk factors for premature delivery. So what are the consequences of premature delivery? There are several short-term and long-term consequences. The short-term consequences are low birth weight, immature organ development, respiratory problems, and vision problems due to retinopathy. But the long-term and the most serious are cerebral palsy, neurodevelopmental delay, and autistic disorders. So there is a need to prevent this preterm labor. It is done by screening the patients with the high risk factors, and mostly will prescribe progesterone supplementation, which relaxes the uterus and prevents the premature delivery. Several trials have shown its efficacy. So we start prescribing progesterone from the early weeks till 34 weeks in